Hey y'all, I hope y'all doing okay. So today we're going to just do a quick and simple dinner. We're going to do beef stir fry. So this is something super easy, very simple. You can cook it for the family after working. It's very easy to whip up. It takes no time. So we're going to do this in our skillet here. In the pan here, I've got some olive oil that I've added. It's getting hot. And let's go through the ingredients that you're going to need. So in my bowl here, I've got plastic bag that you can get from your supermarket. Remember, I always tell you to get that so that you could marinate your meats. You could wash your meat and leave it in the bag so that when you get home, your meat is all ready for you to go. It's already been cleaned. It's already been seasoned, and it's ready to go when you're ready to cook. That's a great time saver, so I do it all the time. So again, I have a bag that you would put your vegetables in for time saving and also to save up on cleanup. So in this bag here, I have some peppers. I've got green peppers, red peppers, onions, and I've got some sliced steak. So I've got it all in the bag. I've added some seasonings. I've added my everyday seasoning. My everyday seasonings got onion powder, garlic powder, some black pepper, and some other spices. So I've chopped up an onion and put it in here. And then also we're going to add some oyster sauce, a little bit of oyster sauce. I also added some chopped ginger and also some chopped garlic. And we're also going to add some stir-fry sauce. And particular, this is a honey garlic stir-fry sauce. But you can use whatever type of stir-fry sauce that you like. So that's the kind that I like, my family and I, that we like. So that's what I'm using. So you want to just unpeel the bag from the bowl, twist it, and mix up your bag so that the marinade gets incorporated with all the spices and the meat. And it should look like that. Super simple, very easy, nothing to it, y'all. So again, you want to do this so that it's easy cleanup and super simple. It saves on steps that you have to do. So we're going to take it and put our meat and vegetables in the bag. Okay guys, so everything is going in. You want to just put it in the pan. Hear that sizzle. Just dump it in. You want to be careful that you don't burn yourself with the splash. Just spread it around. This smells wonderful, guys. It smells so good. And then you want to just throw your bag away. Easy cleanup, just like that. You want to let it saute a little bit, and I've got this on medium low. So you want to let it stir fry. It smells so good in here, guys. Really, really good. I want to add a little bit more onion. So I have an onion here that we're going to add. Just need to chop it up or slice it up. I like a lot of onions in my stir fry. I like onions, period. So I tend to put more than usual. And we're going to just throw it in. And just give it a stir fry. A stir fry. A little stir. Not a stir fry. A stir. So, oh my God, it smells so good. I want to add a little bit more pepper. Y'all should see this. It looks so good. It's very colorful. Doesn't take any time to cook. So this is going to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes on medium low. We're going to cover it with our top, and we're going to come back and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so let's check on our beef stir fry. So it is looking delicious. So far so good, smelling wonderful. We've added our peppers, onions in it, and it's been cooking for about almost 20 minutes. Smells so good. So the last thing we're going to add is some duck sauce. You know those Chinese little packets that you get like that? We're going to add 3 of those. And I think everybody, we all have these duck sauces that you get from the Chinese takeout place. And this is a good way to use them up. So I've got 3 here that I'm using. And we're going to just put it in, squeeze it in. It's going to give it that last little bit of sweetness that we like in our stir-fried sauce. So this is smelling so good. So this looks like it's done, guys. Our meat is soft, it's tender, and it's cooked up nicely. Our onions and peppers. I've also got some snow peas in here too. So let's serve us up a little to eat. So we are serving it with some white rice. Let's put a little on our plate here. You want to get a little of that sauce as well. Don't leave the sauce. The sauce is just as good as the vegetables. Okay. So there you have it, guys. That's our beef stir fry with peppers and onions and snow peas. We've got it with some white rice. So let's give it a try. It was simple and easy. Didn't take too much time. Very easy cleanup. And you can whip this up with the help of the kids, or you can do it by yourself. Let's give it a try. It's hot. It's so good. That's delicious, guys. The peppers and the onions, they have a little bit of a crunch still, and the meat is tender, and that sauce is flavorful from the everyday seasoning. It's delicious. You guys have to give this a try. Before we go, I want to tell you guys thank you so much for watching, and I love you, and hit that like button so that you know, that like button and that notification button so that you know when I'm uploading a new video. Also subscribe to my channel, In the Kitchen with Alethea, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.